Hey girls, it's me again, Deborah. I'm doing a review here on a pre-poo. I'm going to use this coconut oil, just got it from Walmart. And I'm also going to use this leave-in conditioner by Cantu. I've already put it on all 3/4 of the hair, and I left this particular one just so that I can just demonstrate how I would do it. The oil is very oily, as you can see, and I just put it all, rub it through the hair, separate it. I'm going to rub it completely through each section. Be very careful with the butterfly clips because they can get in the hair. And right now I'm just going to rub it on the hair all the way completely through. And I already did that on all three of my other portion of the hair. That's the leave-in conditioner. Just going to lubricate the edges really well. Then I'm going to separate it in subsections, moving the other hair out of the way. Same thing. And run it through the hair from the scalp. And be gentle with this section, all the way down. Same thing, just rub it in there. From the roots to the ends. And I just wanted to try it because normally I pre-poo with just the Tresemme Naturals only, and it works really good for me. And I thought, oh, let me just try this oil, the coconut oil, and also this leave-in conditioner by Cantu. It's a repair, just to see just the difference between the two. Usually I don't try to change up. Whatever works for me, I'll usually just stick with that. And I'm going to leave this on my hair. I'm going to put a plastic bag over it. So I'm going to twist it. And I am doing a little bit of detangling, not much, but just a little bit. I'm going to separate it in two. And I'm just going to strand twist it. Like that. And then I'm going to put a processing cap on it, and I'm going to leave that on and let my natural heat process this for about 30 minutes.